So let's just see how we can create and drop database in MongoDB. So currently we are in the vscode editor. Now to open the MongoDB shell, we have to write the command mongo and it will open the MongoDB shell. Now here we can run all of our command, so we can see all the databases. So here is all the database. Now to create one database, we have to use the command use and then name of the new database like student, and it says switch to the DB student. So currently we are on the student database, but if we run show DBs, you can see the student database is not visible. That's because currently there is no data inside this student database. So let's just add one collection inside that student database. For this we're gonna write db.create collection and we can call the collection my collection, and it says OK1. That means collection has been created inside that student database. Now if we run show DBs, you can see we have the student database. So we have successfully created the student database. Now let's see how we can drop that database. So before dropping any database, make sure to check the current database. So currently we're on the student database, so now we can write the command db.drop database and this will drop the current working student database. Here it says dropped student OK1. That means we have successfully dropped the student database. So now if we run show DBs, you can see there is no student database currently. So this is the way we can create one database in MongoDB, and then we can use the method drop database to drop that particular database. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.